What is up, guys? It's Tool Guy Y here, and welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. Quick little tip for you guys: whenever working on gas hard lines like this, and you have the nut right here. A lot of times, or if you're not careful, you need to be aware of where this line actually goes, because on this car, it's a Porsche Panamera, the line goes underneath the intake manifold right here. And for this job, for the high pressure fuel pump, I don't have to take off the intake manifold. So if I'm not careful, this nut can actually go underneath the intake manifold if I push it too far. And I'm going to have to remove the intake manifold just to get this back out, or I'm gonna have to fish blindly with the magnet to get this out. So a little quick tip for you guys is that when you're doing hard lines, get a piece of tape. Electrical tape works best, and just wrap the line around a couple times, and that tape will actually prevent the nut from accidentally falling down. And you know, it'll make you guys more efficient, because accidents like this won't happen where it'll fall down and you spend a lot of time just to get it back. So yeah, that's today's tech tip for Tech Tip Tuesday. Hope you guys found something useful. See you guys next week. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!